Welcome. Are you tired of constant push notifications from Instagram? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to mute those pesky notifications on your Android device. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on that. Now that you're on your profile, let's go ahead and access the settings. To do this, tap the three lines in the top right corner. This will open a menu where you can find various options. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here you'll see a list of different notification settings available. Now let's activate the Quiet Mode. Tap on this option to access the settings. Quiet Mode allows you to mute notifications for specified times, so you won't get interrupted by likes, comments, or message alerts. Finally, turn on Quiet Mode by toggling the switch, and voila! You've successfully muted push notifications on Instagram. Now you can enjoy some peace and quiet while still staying connected on the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your distraction-free Instagram experience.